feature in the time bank setup, vacation time off deferral. With this feature enabled, it will allow payment of an absent record, but will defer the time off, which will later be unpaid, to be taken at a later date. We'll run through an example now. First, in the time bank setup, we need to have a bank setup as being paid, and then we need to set the deferral for the unpaid time off, which we're going to set to this vacation time defer. The time deferral bank must be set as an absent only bank. Next step is we need to make sure that any employee that will be deferring the time off has both the vacation paid and the time defer bank on their profile. Here we are in Greg's time card. We'll add a vacation day. And here we can see our vacation day has been added. Absent time is empty, and paid time is paying out the vacation. Now if we check Greg's time bank ledgers, we can see the paid bank is empty and the time deferred bank has the deferred 8 hours. So now Greg will get paid November 8th for vacation without taking any time off. And now in the future we can add a unpaid day off for what he was already paid for. Here we just add in another absent for vacation deferred time, hit OK. Now we have the deferred time, which is absent time only and unpaid.